Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I am back making another Death Note video. So this is the Death Note character analysis part 2. So the first part got a pretty good response. It got 600 plus views in around 2 weeks. That's really great, and it also hit the like target. So yup, I was on a break from YouTube, but I got really motivated after seeing that video stats. So today I'll be analyzing some more Death Note characters. So today I'll be covering up L or Ryuzaki, and I'll be covering Nier, and also I'll be covering Melo. So yep, I am excited for this video. Hope you are too. If you guys like this video and want more anime videos, I've completed One Punch Man both seasons, and I'm on Attack on Titan episode 12. So if you want more anime videos, then make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you are new. So let's get straight into the video. So L personally was my favorite character in Death Note. He was one of the main characters inside of Death Note, and he was a really smart detective. But we cannot say that he is the protagonist, as it's up to the audience to decide whose side they are on. So L is the force which stops Light from doing things he wants to. He really was an unmovable and an intelligent opposition to Light. But he was a weird and unpopular character in the series, not in the fan base though. So from the beginning, L or Ryuzaki was suspecting Light as Kira, as he told those assisting him. In many cases when Light was looking innocent, L was still suspecting him and not letting the fact go that Light was still a suspect in his eyes. Well, he was really right about that. In the end, I would really say I really wish that L didn't die, and I really think he's, if not the best, one of the best character inside of Death Note in my opinion. Nier is L's younger successor. After L dies, he begins his own investigation of the Kira case over a span of 4 years. He's a young character, his physical appearance and posture is quite similar to L. He's very intelligent too, just like L. So after contacting Light, or L at that time, he also starts to suspect him as Kira. He's really calm throughout the part he plays, and I think he was really important in catching Kira. Obviously, he was really important. His plan at the end of the series in episode 36 and 37 was my favorite part. The way he thought out every possibility to deduce that Light is Kira just makes him one of my favorite characters. He isn't much likable though. Many people don't like him, including some of my friends, but I enjoyed his role throughout the time he was inside of the series. The elder successor of Light, Melo, also had a decent part on the series. He and Nier were competing throughout their life, but they were on the same boat. They both wanted to catch Kira. Even though Melo refused to work with Nier to catch Kira, he played a large role in kidnapping Takada and giving his life to help the investigation team catch Kira. I have neutral feelings for him, but I think he had a crucial role in the series. So yep guys, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video at any point of time, if it was fun and interesting at any point of time in the video, then make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Let's try to reach 400 in around 2 months. Let's just hope for the best. So last video got a pretty good response, so this time I won't have a view aim, but let's see if we can hit 20 likes. Today's like aim is 20 likes. So yup, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and tell me below if you want me to do more anime videos and stuff like this. Bye.